Welcome back to Magnificalcorecraft YouTube channel. We are working on another macrame knots, and this time we are working on lax head knots. That is the pattern we are working on now. So we have 4 rows as usual. We'll place this aside. We are working with the 2 in the middle with the 1 on my right hand now. You are going to pick this and place it on this. You bring it out, draw it up. Then you bring it under, you bring it out. That's the first step. The next one, you place this on this. It will be on, under, on top, under. That's how you're doing it. Then you bring it under, you bring it out this way. Then the next one again, you place it on this. You pass it through the back, you pull it out. Then you place it under, you pass the same rope out this way, you pull it out. You do the same thing here. You bring this on top of this, pass it through the back, you pull, then you bring it under, this way. The next thing again, you place it here, bring the same cord out here, pull it under, pass it out. So this is how we continue. You put it in, you place it under, you pull it out. The same thing. Put it in, put it under, you place it out. As you can see, the lax head knot that we are working on, you can use it as a bracelet. Here are some that we have turned to bracelets. You see, you can turn it to a bracelet. It's like this. You can turn it to a bracelet if I decide to wear it. So you can see it on my hand. I've turned it to a bracelet. You can see. So you can turn it to bracelets. You can use it for a belt. It can be bag handle. It could be used for so many things. Thank you so much for your time.